I'm Chris Crary, executive chef of the One Hotel West Hollywood. I competed on Top Chef a few years ago. Being together with so many amazing chefs, you learn so much. It was a really great experience for opening a restaurant here in LA. The One Hotel just opened in May. This is our first hotel on the West Coast. We like to consider ourselves garden to table. We like to source as locally as possible. We use a lot of produce and herbs from our 2,000 square foot garden. We really believe in supporting local farmers and as much local produce as possible. What I'm going to make now is braised lamb shank over farro with a peach and mint from our garden salad and a little bit of pine nuts. So first I'm going to make the spices that we're going to encrust the lamb in. We have some caraway seeds, some star anise, coriander, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, peppercorns. We would put this on the stove just to bring out all those aromatic flavors. Then once you have it finely ground, we're going to rub our lamb down with all of these spices. Next, I'm going to take the lamb and sear it in a very hot pan. You're going to let it sear on each side for about 1 to 2 minutes. See that beautiful color there? That's what you're going for. Now that it's nice and caramelized on both sides, you're going to put it into your braising pot here. We're going to add our mirepoix. Mirepoix is celery, onions, carrots, and garlic. I'm going to saute this and then deglaze my pan with some white wine, marsala, and orange juice. Deglazing is when you take a liquid and dump it into a hot pan to get all the yummy flavored stuff off the bottom of the pan. Now that I've got the pan deglazed, we're going to add this liquid into the lamb. I'm going to throw some mint on top of it that we got from the garden, and I'm going to put it in the oven at 300 degrees for about 3 hours. While I have the lamb in the oven, I'm going to start my farro. So unlike pasta, you're just going to cook all the liquid out until the liquid is gone. You'll know it's done when it starts to split a little bit and it feels softer to the touch. The lamb is finished now. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Soft, it's falling off the bone. Our farro is still nice and al dente. It's going to add a nice little crunch to our dish here. And we're going to put our braised lamb shank right on top of it. To finish, I'm going to put this beautiful salad of our peaches, our garden mint, and pine nuts right on top. And we're keeping these raw and cold. And then we're going to add a little bit of our braising liquid. This is a beautiful dish that you can make for yourself, for a dinner party, for a large party. You could plate it family style or just in a bowl like we did. Oh man. Keep it simple, use beautiful ingredients, and the dish will speak for itself.